Have you ever been so excited about launching your new website, only to have a developer ruin everything? Imagine this. You're on the cusp of something great, a project that could transform your business. You hire a developer who promises you efficiency and professionalism, but instead delivers headaches, broken code, and a shattered timeline. If this story sounds familiar, or you want to avoid living it, then you've come to the right place. Welcome to DevRisk Score, your trusted partner in navigating web development. This channel was created to address the unique challenges entrepreneurs and business owners encounter in today's unregulated tech landscape. Outsourcing projects to the right developer can often feel like navigating a minefield. We've all heard the horror stories, or experienced them firsthand, of missed deadlines, subpar work, or even a complete business operation shut down. That's why we're here. At DevRisk Score, we bring transparency, objectivity, and reliability to your development projects. Utilizing advanced analytics, we assess the efficiency and trustworthiness of developers to help you make informed decisions. Our tools not only enable accurate forecasting of costs and timelines, but also provide perspective for fostering effective communication. For all of our visitors on this channel, you will find in the description box below resourceful links designed to guide you through each step of bringing your business idea online to managing your outsourcing needs safely and effectively. What sets us apart is our novel performance analytics plus developer assessment. This revolutionary tool offers a comprehensive analysis that empowers entrepreneurs to make truly informed decisions. From assessing the reliability of potential freelance developers to providing actionable insights on project management, our assessment tool is designed to give you the control and confidence you need in the digital realm. With innovative features like Performance Analytics Plus, project iteration efficiency, and backup and environment insights, we can ensure that busy idea generators have in-depth knowledge of developer performance, thus saving time, effort, and most importantly, peace of mind to focus on more important things like bringing ideas to life. So why wait? Join us today to make your developer hiring process as efficient and risk-free as possible. And reach your audience like never before, because when your development projects succeed, so does your business. We're committed to making your digital journey safe and successful. Subscribe to our channel to be the first to receive our nonprofit's expert insights. We'll also guide you through comprehensive developer risk analytics and best practices for efficient hiring. Thanks for watching.